In this video, we will see what is the basic difference between the abstract class and interface. First of all, we will see what are the definitions or what are the basic building blocks behind the abstract class and interface. First of all, what is the abstract class? Abstract class contain at least one abstract method, others are concrete. Means one abstract method is compulsory and others are concrete. Concrete means like other general methods of our programming. Talking about the interface, interface contains only the abstract methods. Okay, means methods like these concrete methods are not available. Means everything should be in terms of abstract only. Means it should be like a abstract or it should be in terms of a final. Not other mechanisms are supported by the interfaces, but abstract classes can contain the abstract methods compulsory. It can have more than one methods like abstract, but compulsory it have one method and others are concrete. Second, abstract keyword is important keyword for abstract method in abstract class. Means to use the abstract mechanism, keyword abstract is compulsory, and to use the mechanism interface, no keyword is compulsory. Means to use any mechanism with the help of an interface means it cannot be we can say it as a talking in terms of a keyword abstract. It requires abstract keyword, but it no abstract keyword is present because you know that interface keyword is present there. Third is abstract classes must have the subclasses. Means it is the compulsory rule that subclasses may be compulsorily, maybe or maybe not, but it is compulsorily present for the abstract. But talking about the interfaces, not subclasses there. Means this is the feature behind the interface. Means as we know that abstract is a mechanism which allows overriding the methods from one class to another class or one object to another object. So subclass is compulsory there, but interface only provides the declaration, not definitions. So it has no any subclass. To use the interface like a subclass, we have to use the implements mechanism here. Four, it is a incomplete class. Abstract is a incomplete class, but interface is a pure abstract class. How? Abstract is a mechanism by which you are creating only, means you are declaring things, not defining. Okay. But abstract class is a mechanism which allows the definitions, means it is an incomplete class. But interface is a pure abstract class, means it only provides us the declaration, not the definitions part. Next, abstract class has an constructor. Abstract class has the constructor in its mechanism, but interface does not provide any detailed explanation, so it does not have constructor in its mechanism. Next, abstract class means this kind of a class cannot extend more than one class. Means it can only extend one class. But talking about the interface, it is a supplementary mechanism to overcome the drawback of multiple inheritance. So it provides the multiple interface mechanism. Means clearly speaking, it is providing the more than one classes to be used by another classes. And last one is that A class can, in this mechanism of the abstract class, this abstract class can only extend only one abstract class. Means the extend mechanism is only supported with one abstract class. But here, in terms of interfaces, a class can be extended by others also. So, these are some differentiating features or factors between the abstract class and the interface. Up till now, we have completed the different mechanisms related to inheritance and interfaces. In the next some upcoming videos, we will cover the remaining topic, that is the object clone. Thank you so much.